Hello, this is your session overview for week 4. We are finishing up, close to finishing up anyway, complementary curriculum approach. I hope you've enjoyed the text. You're reading about the third and fourth intention. You'll notice this textbook has very explicit, very practical information that you can make use of. So I'm hoping to see that reflected in your assignments that you'll be doing. In the reading reflection, I'm just having you basically organize notes with all the information from both of those chapters. It's a lot of very specific information that I want to make sure you organize and have a record of it for use in your future assignments. And speaking of those assignments, those will begin this week. First, you'll be looking at these 2 attachments, which are right below this chart, Projects of Chicagoland and the Dog Project. And I would appreciate it in Projects of Chicagoland if you would just review the center-based projects and the pre-kindergarten projects. If you want to look at the older children because you are with older children, that's fine. But for this class, because it's early childhood, we'll be focused on the center-based and the pre-kindergarten. You'll see that in the index of activities in the table of contents. It's in the very first couple of pages of the PDF. So be sure to look at that so you know where to go. Instead of a discussion board, I have you using a Padlet, so you can see I've already filled in my answers, which I'll try to always do so you have a sense. So we're doing a shelf this week with 2 sections. You can see that I just made brief answers there, so hopefully that will be helpful to you. So let's go back to sorry. I'm going everywhere except where I want to go. Okay. So the other thing that's happening this week is you will be doing your topic proposal assignment. And that is listed in the course content area as an assignment submission. You can see there's a very long 20-minute video that explains both step 1 and step 2 in great detail for this assignment. If you do not choose to listen to the recording, I think the assignment will be very challenging for you. So please do yourself a favor. I know it's 20 minutes. I understand, but I promise you I'm doing this so you will be able to do the assignment easily, clearly, and it is not always possible to convey that in writing in the assignment. If you read the assignment and you feel like you get it, go ahead and take the chance. And if you turn it in and it needs reworking, I'll just refer you to the recording probably. You have here an example of a sunburst, which is part of a sunburst chart, which is part of the assignment. So just know this is step 1 towards your hat assignment. And next week you will do step 2, which is also described in the video. So I think personally it's really good for students to know what's coming next, so you can imagine what both assignments together are going to look like. And you may even want to do them both at the same time because it's easier for you. So I have tried to keep all that in mind and be as helpful as I possibly can. So have a great week. Be in touch if you need to be. Take care.